Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, identify and remove the 6 screws on the base cover. Loosen the 2 screws at the back of the cover and pry the cover away from the recess points near the hinges. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Remove the 4 screws and lift the assembly out of the system. Disconnect the cables connecting the hard drive to the assembly. Remove the 4 screws and lift the hard drive out of the assembly. To reinstall the hard drive, place it back in the assembly, install the 4 screws, and reconnect the cables. Place the assembly back in the system and tighten the 4 screws. Reconnect the cables and plug in the battery cable. Secure the base cover with the 8 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.